Welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss what passive income is and the main ways to get it. So, passive income is income that comes without a person actively participating in the process of receiving it. This can be especially attractive to those who want to increase their financial opportunities without spending all their time and effort on it. In this video, we will look at the various ways to earn passive income that are available to ordinary people and discuss how you can legally make money. First, investing in stocks and bonds. One of the most common ways to earn passive income is investing in the stock market. By buying shares of companies, you become a co-owner of the business and can receive dividends, a part of the profit that companies distribute among shareholders. For example, if you invest in shares of a company that pays dividends, you can receive regular payments even if you do not participate in the management of the company. Bonds are another option. When you buy bonds, you essentially lend money to the state or a company, and in return, you receive interest payments. Second, real estate investing in real estate can be a great source of passive income. You can buy an apartment or a house and rent it out. According to research, renting out real estate can generate income of 8 to 12% per year, depending on the location and market conditions. Also, there are real estate investment trusts, REITs, which allow you to invest in real estate without having to physically own it. You buy shares in a fund that manages the property and receive a portion of the rental income. Third, creating online courses and content. If you have knowledge or skills in a specific area, you can create an online course or write a book. After the initial effort of creating the content, you can earn income from sales without the need for constant involvement. For example, platforms like Udemy or Coursera allow you to upload your courses, and you will receive a percentage of each sale. Fourth, passive businesses. Creating a business that requires minimal involvement can also be a source of passive income. This could be an online store with automated processes or a franchise where you delegate management. According to Forbes, many successful entrepreneurs create businesses that can operate without their constant involvement, allowing them to focus on other projects. Fifth, crowdfunding and P2P lending. Crowdfunding and P2P lending are new forms of investing that allow you to make money by lending to other people or projects. You can earn interest on your investment, which creates passive income. For example, platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to invest in loans, and you receive interest on the amount the borrower repays. Sixth, dividend stocks and funds. Investing in dividend stocks or funds that focus on stocks with high dividends can be a reliable source of passive income. These companies are usually stable and have a long history of paying dividends. According to Morningstar, dividend stocks, on average, yield more than stocks without dividends. And the last way, licensing and copyrights. If you have created something unique, be it music, art, or software, you can license your work and receive royalties. This can become a stable source of income if your work becomes popular. For example, musicians often receive royalties for the use of their songs in films, advertisements, or on streaming platforms. Earning passive income is a real opportunity for the average person if you approach it wisely and with patience. It is important to remember that most methods require initial effort, investment of time or money. However, with the right approach, you can create several streams of passive income that will work for you, allowing you to focus on other aspects of life. Passive income is not only a way to improve your financial situation, but also an opportunity to achieve greater freedom and independence. Thank you for watching our video about passive income. We hope you learned a lot of useful and inspiring information. Remember that creating passive income takes time and effort. but the results can be impressive. Start with small steps, explore different sources, and don't be afraid to experiment. Subscribe to our channel, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Good luck on your path to financial independence.